In order to view any assignments that your child will need to complete, you will need to switch to your child's account. So when you log in, you should automatically be brought to your parent account. You'll click on your name, and you'll find your child's name. When you click on it, you'll be brought to their home page. Again, make sure you are viewing this as your student or as your child. It will say their name right here. On the left-hand side, we have our courses, and on the right-hand side, we have recent grades and assignments. This is where I can see if my child has any overdue assignments. So it has the due date and it has the actual assignment here. So you can click on the assignment to get any specifics and the date that they are due. Okay, so this is the actual assignment itself. And if you need to go back, you click on this WTPS logo and it will bring you back to their home page. Okay, also you can scroll down and you can see any upcoming assignments. And if you click on those or just look right up here, it tells you what day they are due. Okay, you can scroll on back to the top, and if you click on this calendar here, you can also see when your child has an assignment and when exactly it's due. So if you click on one of these assignments here, it tells you that the due date is August 12th at 11:59 p.m. and the max points is 100, and then it tells you what class this is for. Okay, so if you'd like to get back to the home page, again, go back up to WTPS, and that is how you access your child's assignment through the activity page.